Hi there and welcome to today's video on the importance of budgeting and financial planning for projects. Every successful project or business initiative hinges on effective budgeting and financial planning. These processes not only ensure optimal resource allocation but also act as a roadmap, guiding projects towards financial sustainability. However, traditional methods can be tedious, often relying on outdated data and lacking real-time insights. Today's organizations are looking for more innovative and efficient ways of working, introducing ChatGPT. In the realm of AI, ChatGPT stands out as a versatile tool, capable of understanding, learning, and predicting. Its applications span various domains, and today, we'll focus on its transformative impact on budgeting and financial planning. Budget estimation with ChatGPT. Budget estimation, traditionally, involves sifting through heaps of past data, making it a time-consuming task. 1. With ChatGPT, historical financial data serves as a learning base, enabling the AI to recognize spending patterns and trends. 2. Beyond just providing a lump sum estimate, ChatGPT offers a detailed breakdown. 2. It categorizes expenses, such as labor costs, material procurement, operational expenses, and more, painting a clearer picture of projected financial allocations. 3. It can also factor in external variables like market inflation rates, seasonal demand fluctuations, or global economic trends to refine its estimations. Tracking expenses. Staying within budget parameters requires vigilant expense tracking. 1. ChatGPT's integration capabilities allow it to sync with various financial software, offering real-time expense tracking. 2. It categorizes and tags expenses, making it easier to identify and analyze spending patterns. 3. Any discrepancies between actual spending and the budget are highlighted, ensuring that they're addressed promptly. Predictive analysis for budget overruns. Budget overruns can derail projects. Predicting them in advance can be a game-changer. 1. ChatGPT's predictive analysis delves into current spending trends, comparing them with the set budget. 2. It factors in upcoming financial commitments, predicting potential overruns days or even weeks in advance. 3. By providing a forecasted view of the budget status, it allows businesses to recalibrate their strategies proactively. Scenario analysis. Financial foresight is invaluable in decision-making. 1. ChatGPT can simulate various financial scenarios. 1. Whether it's a potential investment, a marketing campaign, or a new hire, it assesses the financial implications of each. 2. By presenting a comparative analysis of different scenarios, it aids in making informed, data-backed decisions. Real-time financial insights. In today's fast-paced business environment, real-time data is crucial. 1. ChatGPT offers a live dashboard view of key financial metrics. 1. From ROI and profit margins to liquidity ratios, get instant insights. 2. These real-time metrics, coupled with ChatGPT's analytical capabilities, can predict future financial trends, offering businesses a competitive edge. Customizing ChatGPT for your financial needs. No two businesses are the same, and neither are their financial needs. 1. ChatGPT can be tailored. 1. By training it with company-specific financial data, it becomes attuned to the unique financial rhythms and requirements of the business. 2. Over time, its predictions and analyses become even more accurate, making it an indispensable financial tool. In the intricate dance of numbers that is budgeting and financial planning, ChatGPT emerges as a reliable partner. It not only simplifies complex processes but also offers foresight, ensuring businesses stay ahead of the curve. As we usher in an era where AI and business go hand in hand, tools like ChatGPT will be pivotal in driving financial success. Thank you for diving deep with us into the world of budgeting and financial planning with ChatGPT. If this video provided you with valuable insights, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content. Your support fuels our drive to bring more such content to you.